Oh fuck.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit.
Oh.
That was a moose, right?
Yeah, that was a moose.
Holy
oh my
fuck.
goodness, a moose was on the loose. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Do you need
But
to take a
if we
break?
hit that moose, we wouldn't be.
Good morning. We are on our way to Maine.
No, we're in Maine.
Oh. Good morning from Maine.
We left yesterday about 12 o'clock in the afternoon from North York. We were driving along. We hit Montreal about 5 o'clock. We were in Sherbrooke by 6:30. Grabbed some poutine. We crossed the border at 8 something. Yep, and then we made camp around 8:30, 8:40.
When we went down this road, everything was just really foggy and steamy, and we kept hearing these popping noises as we drove over frogs and killed them. We came in on this road and parked right here and camped right beside it. There was already lightning, and as soon as we put up our tent, it started to rain. So we crawled in there and we watched a bit of National Geographic on the geography of Acadia, and then we went to bed. Jeremy found it when he was taking a wee.
Yeah, well, some discoveries are magical.
How much is the gas here?
240 gallon? No clue in liters.
We're gonna eat some barbecue. I thought that
It's good.
the ice cream went to the bottom, not floating.
It's an ice cream sinker.
My root beer sinker. What'd you get, pie?
Pulled pork sandwich.
I can see it steaming. Look at this cornbread, it's the cutest. It just falls apart. It's so yummy.
No, my pickle.
That was so yummy. Mom, I'm eating all the black stuff.
Here. Okay.
Thank you. Love it. Going to take the Beehive Trail. I'm so short.
Try harder.
I'm growing. I like how all these rocks, it's like nothing I really remember hiking on before. Bye-bye. Oh, that's the really famous one.
Same beach.
Where's the beach pie?
That one.
I don't see any muscle.
There's no muscle.
Good job. Going to the forest. Look what the glaciers left behind.
Look at how the fog just sticks on that, on the
Low-hanging
island.
clouds.
They are.
Beehive Summit elevation says 160 meters. The bowl. We gotta go to the bowl. We've arrived. Jeremy, can you see the two lovers?
You mean the bird that's kissing that stump?
That stump is you. I'm the bird. hurt. I just got bit by a mosquito and that hurt. Mosquitoes! Run! Come on, Kai, let's go!
From the makers of Warhead Hotheads, this is the Extreme Heat Worm. Sizzling strawberry, atomic green apple, and fiery watermelon, all in one package.
It is stopping me from thinking about my mosquito bites
Let's go.
because we lost our mosquito repellent. Jump over the chasm!
No.
Don't die! These candies are so spicy. Who do you tie shoes for?
Goalkeepers.
I'm the keeper of your heart.
Goalkeepers.
Do you see the little people there? That was us. This way. This way.
No,
Let's
this
go
way.
again.
No.
Let's go again.
No.
Sun's going down.
Yep, no time to do that.
There's so many mosquitoes.
No, you're fine.
We were up there and now we're down here.